What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes we'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on ThorChain, abbreviation RUNE, the RUNE token. So yeah, this will be purely a price analysis and a technical analysis. So we're just looking at the price and the price action. So we're not really looking at the project, and you should always also know that news and fundamentals like macroeconomic shifts are always more important than technical analysis and price analysis. That's not the sad truth, that's just the reality. So yeah, having said that, let's get into this technical analysis. So we're looking at RUNE against USDT on Binance. Most volume is traded in that, therefore most reliable for our time frame. So it seems that RUNE has actually suffered quite a bit from the bearish fundamental move at the 4th of December. But it is looking like holding from this trend line right here, and that trend line actually comes from quite a long time ago on the daily. This is the trend line. It does look like it's holding, and what you tend to see with these cryptos is that a trend line coming from so far tends to hold more often than not. So I think from here we will go up to around 6.5 again. From there I do think we will find resistance. It's a psychological resistance level. There's a 50 EMA, trend line, and a key level. To be honest, it actually looks like quite a good short area, but that's trading talk. And this is not financial advice, so I'd not advise you to short that. I rarely short the crypto market, but it looks like it will definitely find resistance there. From there, probably drop down to a 6.0. Again, psychological support level and key level. I don't think it's going to drop down to the trend line, at least not with a full candle. And from there, I actually think we can break this trend line. I think this trend line is too steep, and I do think we are going to break that. And with that, also the 6.5 key level. I think ultimately it might not be in one move, but ultimately we'll go up to a 7.15. Or at least the area between 7.15 and 7.3, and from there I do think that we are going to drop down to at least 6.45 or 6.5 again. And when it hits that level, after this is completed, it really depends on the whole state of the crypto market and the price action before that, what will happen at that level. If, for example, this breakout was really clean and it went all the way up to 7.35, for example, like the highest level I just pointed out, then if we drop down to 6.5, I'd actually expect that we go up there again and maybe do something like this and head for 8.0. If, however, the price struggles to get through struggles to get to 6.5, finds resistance at 7.15 and drops all the way down to here very fast, then I think it's more likely that we will actually see the price drop down all the way to here. I actually think it is most likely we drop down to the trend line, just because the whole market is kind of bearish right now. We're not in a bear market, but still. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on RUNE. I also wanted to include a price level I think is relevant for if another macroeconomic dip happens, such as the 4th of December. So something throughout the whole crypto sphere, and not something depending on like the real project of the cryptos. So that also happened in June, I think. So yeah, we had this bearish fundamental move in May, and then we dropped down even lower. RUNE even dropped down lower in July too, but the most cryptos only did this move. So what I think is a strong level for that move to find support at is the 5.0. What you tend to see is that those moves find support at psychological support levels mainly, and the 5.0 has that, but also a fib, and it's a normal key level. So I just wanted to add that into this analysis as well. But having said that, that's the full analysis. If you have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.